Hello and welcome to Kitchen Garden Therapy. This is Slava. It's the end of June and it means next episode of Small Space Gardening Collab is here. The theme of this month is pest control and planning. Make sure you check out the other channels. I'll place the link of our playlist in the description box below. It's been so hot in the month of June that I got so tired of watering. My kids were complaining that they don't want to water the garden anymore. And now, 2 days in a row, we finally got rain, which means right after the rain, we will see fresh portion of slugs. And to be honest, they don't bother me that much. Occasionally, I put a can of beer outside and they are all going there like it's honey. And then I just dump them out in the garbage. If I would see this red slug, then I would panic because these red slugs are really a problem in my parents' garden. My parents are in Ukraine and they told me that these red slugs have infested their garden. Also, my parents have these what they call Colorado beetles. And I remember growing up picking these from the garden and smashing them. Here in Chicago, where I live right now, I never had an issue with beetles. They just don't come to my garden, so I'm happy that I don't have to fight with them. I do have caterpillars though, and even though they're cute, they do destroy some of my plants. Up until now, they haven't been eating that much of my plants, but if I see that they are becoming a problem, I'll just go and manually remove them. I also have some occasional aphids, and honestly, ladybugs are taking care of them. Sometimes I just snap the branches where there's a lot of aphids and just smash them. I didn't use any sprays so far because it's not a big issue. What I noticed is if I plant more of herbs that ladybugs are attracted to, like cilantro for example, then I don't have aphids. So make sure to allow your herbs to go to bloom because that will keep your ladybugs happy. Also, I've noticed the more pollinator friendly flowers I have, the more wasps I get. And wasps are scary. Some people hate them, but they eat all of the bad bugs that are out there. So make sure to have pollinator friendly flowers. And I have a video about pollinator friendly garden. Make sure to check it out. I'll place it in the description box below. So I don't have many bugs as pests in my garden, but I still have a few pests. Squirrels are just crazy. I mean, they come to my garden every single day. We have lots of them in Chicago. We also have raccoons, and they are attracted to my garden because I have an outdoor cat and I always have food for him over there, so they just come and eat his food and then dig in my garden, make holes, make mess, and I guess I just have to deal with these critters. They are cute, but they make a lot of mess in my garden. As far as planning, I am going to be sowing more beans and cucumbers for my summer garden, and then in about a month or so I will be starting to plan my fall garden. So please stay tuned. This is all for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next episode.